ThinkRight.me is a journey of personal responsibility, a journey one thought at a time, one day at a time, shifting from blaming people and situations for how we think and feel to taking responsibility of our thoughts and emotions independent of situations and people around us. Unaware, we've created thoughts which said, "She hurt me, he upset me, they irritated me, they insulted me, she let me down." Unaware, we were deepening a belief system which said, "They are responsible for how I feel." ThinkRight.me is a journey of shifting. They can be who they want to be. Situation can be what it's meant to be. I will choose how I think, how I feel, how I speak, how I respond. It's my power and I have a choice. We start this journey every morning with 3 minutes. 3 minutes of an audio affirmation preparing us how we are going to be today. All of us plan what we are going to do today. But taking this 3 minutes to plan how I'm going to be while I'm doing everything that I'm doing. It could be, I am a happy being. One day it could be, I am a peaceful being. And then preparing how I'm going to adjust, how I'm going to accept, and how I'm going to be with people around me, but be peaceful in every situation and with every behavior. So 3 minutes in the morning, affirmation and visualization. See yourself being that way. While you do this affirmation and visualization, what we are doing is programming the mind that this is who I'm going to be, independent of people and situations around me today. This is power. During the day, at around 10 o'clock in the morning, a gentle reminder to check we are on the journey and we are being who we decided to be. A little write-up explaining to us why we need to be this way and how it's going to benefit us on a daily basis. Around 3 o'clock, again a gentle reminder just to check that we are in alignment with our morning affirmation. Around 7 o'clock in the evening, we will meet for 5 minutes to talk about how the day has been. Was I able to follow what I had decided in the morning? What were the obstacles? Where did I fail? Did I implement even a little bit? Because even a little transformation is a miracle. A miracle where we are shifting from a belief which said, "This is my habit, I cannot change," to "I choose how to be and I can be it." So that evening time will be to reflect, to check on the day, and also to prepare for the next day. A special library of meditations. Each meditation is around 15 to 20 minutes. Meditation to allow us to work on our very, very deep belief systems. Letting go of past hurt, resentment, unpleasant memories. Healing fears, maybe fear of flying, fear of public speaking, fear of an interview, fear of an exam, a lot of fears which are lurking there in our subconscious, preparing our mind to go to sleep. Sometimes the body goes to sleep, but the mind has a lot to think even during the night. If you don't have 20 minutes, then there are 2-minute meditations called SOS, especially during the day. Someone said a wrong word, and here it is, I start experiencing my hurt, my irritation, my anxiety. 2-minute SOS for healing instantly. Special meditations, short commentaries, 2-minute healing to regain what I had decided to be. ThinkRight.me is not a content app. It's not about coming once in a while and watching all the videos, listening to all the affirmations, reading all the articles. It's not a content app. ThinkRight.me has been designed very scientifically that this is a daily journey with hand holding at least 4 times during the day, because we are on this journey of changing old, deep habits. And I'm certain you are going to find yourself a new you every day, every month, and definitely at the end of this year.